Using the Replace Footage feature. While a Replace Edit replaces the contents of a clip segment in a sequence, the Replace Footage command replaces footage in the project panel so that the clip links to a different media file. This can be of great benefit when you need to replace a clip that occurs several times in a sequence or in multiple sequences. You might use this to update an animated logo or a piece of music, for example. When you replace footage in the project panel, all instances of the clip you replace are changed anywhere the clip is used. Load the sequence 07 Replace Footage. Scrub through the sequence to familiarize yourself with the contents. Drag along the timeline panel time ruler. Let's replace the graphic on the Video 4 track with something more interesting. In the Clips to Load bin, right-click DragonLogo.psd and choose Replace Footage. Navigate to the Lessons Assets Graphics folder and open the Dragon Logo Fix.psd file. Play the sequence. The clip name has been updated to match the new file, both in the bin and the sequence.